My name is Janet Nyamiche Asari. I'm from Ghana. I'm the mother of Salma Sari. And Salma has been having this hearing problem for 5 months. So I wanted to seek treatment in my country because I've tried there several places. But there is this friend, Kuma. Yeah. He was like, Madam, you have tried places and nothing is coming out good. So why don't you try India? I know of a hospital. And I said yes. So we proceeded and we came.
When I evaluated Salma, I realized that she had a sudden loss 5 months back in the right ear, 2 years back in the left ear. We got a CT scan, MRI, audiology reports, and we decided to take her up for a cochlear implant surgery. Now, cochlear implant is a bionic sense organ which restores hearing by putting these electrodes inside the cochlea, and the outside processor picks up sound, sends those signals through the electrode in the cochlea, and electrical stimulation is generated which reaches brain as sound. We switched on Salma, we put the outside processor. After 2 days, she's back to her life.
I want to say a very big thank you to the doctor and the whole team that made this possible. And now I can go back to my normal life, and that's all thanks to you. So thank you very much. May God bless you.
She will go to the normal school again. She's going back to her country now. And we have asked or requested the family to get her left ear surgery also done as soon as possible.